Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's vlog, I will be teaching you how to hack Pokemon Go so that you can teleport even you are at home. Okay, so here we go. But first, if this is your first time on my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell. Every time I uploaded new videos, you'll get updated. So here we go. Just watch this video. Alright, so let me show you how to hack Pokemon Go application. So first, go to your Google and then search for IS Spoofer. Click the website. Alright, so once you are on the website, look for Install iOS and click Install Now. And click Install. Okay, so on the lower left corner, you'll see the Pokemon Go is getting installed. Let's just wait for a few seconds. Okay, so it's already installed. So right now it shows Untrusted Enterprise Developer. So in order for you to use this application, you need to go to your settings and then look for General and scroll down, look for Device Management and then look for the app and click Trust. Okay, so once you were able to trust, the application is verified. So you can open the application. Just click allow, enter your birthday, and then log in as returning player. Okay guys, so we're now inside the application. So right now, this is my current location. Let me just catch this Pokemons. Okay, so if you will observe on this Pokemon Go application, whenever you throw the balls, it will show if it's gacha. If it shows escape, then that means that you cannot get the Pokemon, or if it shows flee, that means the Pokemon will get away. It has like a feature for forecasting if you'll be able to get the Pokemon. It's really nice. So now I'll show you how to teleport on this application. I'll just set this as my home. Okay, so now you click on the number of stops, so see, and then you click on a dot where you want to go, and that's it. You will be able to teleport on one place to another. But make sure guys, you don't do it quickly, because there should have at least a 30 seconds time where you can see every time you do teleport. Because if you do it so quick, you might get banned on the application. So better be safe, okay? Let me just catch all these Pokemons. Okay, so you'll see there, guys, it always shows gacha. That means that I'll be able to capture the Pokemon. See, it's showing forecasted if you'll be able to capture the Pokemon. Alright, so let me try to teleport again. So just click this and pick the location, then click teleport. Then that's it. So I hope I was able to help you guys, or at least you can play even at home with this Pokemon Go. So if this is your first time watching, please do subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. Thank you.